Hey Jason, this is Joe. I'm going to play test your cooking in Breath of the Wild. I like the concept, though going on the site, I'm not sure um, for the sell price. Some of them don't have sell prices. I've never actually sold food in the game, so I'm not sure if the ones that don't have a price mean they can't be sold. So for my sold price on the ones that didn't have a sell price, I just added up the value of the items. That was my sell price, except for my third hand, which had a sell price, and that's the one I used. So for my first hand, I ended up having these 5 cards, which gave me a Mighty Banana, the Hearty Radish, Hylian Rice, Goat Butter, and the Stamanoka Bass. With these recipes, I ended up using the Stamanoka Bass and the Hearty Radish and made myself a hearty steamed fish for 26 gold, or rupees rather. Oops, sorry about that. Dropped the phone. So that is my first hand. I used 2 cards, which are this one and that one. So I have these 3 cards left. Oops. Second hand, the second hand I pulled had the Hylian Shroom, the Stamella Shroom, the Raw Prime Meat, and the Hylian Bass and Carp. Trying to remember which cards they were. Raw Prime Meat, King of Clubs. Okay, so yeah, it was this hand here. And with this one, I made the Mighty Prime Meat Seafood. So that consisted of 3. I used the Mighty Banana from my previous hand. And which is that one. Then I used the carp and the bass. Carp and raw prime meat, which was this one and this one. These 2. So it left me with these 5 cards. And then for my last draw, I pulled these, which gave me a raw gourmet meat, rock salt monster extract, razor claw crab, and an iron shell crab. And so that one I picked the gourmet meat and rice bowl, which sold for 60, which gave me from my previous hand the Hylian rice, the rock salt, and the gourmet meat. And that one sold for $60. So I mean, right there, that was a pretty high sell. The other ones were 26. The first hand was 26, and the second hand was 30. The game is kind of fun. Definitely something to play with more players. But you need to be very familiar with the game, familiar with the potential differences that you can make as well. You can also there's a variety of other bonuses that you can add to the recipe. So I really enjoyed that, and I think overall you did a pretty well design. Thank you for your game. Thanks.